wanting to put Google Clips through its share of paces, we've been testing it with a mix of handheld recording and leaving it to catch interesting scenes by itself, the emphasis being on the latter to better train the machine learning algorithm. It's hard to put judgment on a product that always claims to be getting better at its core function over time, and that's why we're continuing to test it out. But after 2 weeks of using it, we've experienced some middling results, though other testers might have other results. Interestingly, and perhaps somewhat obvious to some, the quality of footage is going to depend on what's going on in your life. Living a relatively sedated lifestyle with not a whole lot going on? What Clips records isn't going to be that great. If this applies to you, you may want to rethink if Google's camera fits into your tech equation. But no matter your lifestyle, Clips does show off its knack for having a sense of what's happening in frame. A few examples below show off some fun action from my cats that I would have otherwise not been able to capture with my smartphone, due to the fact that it just happened so quickly, or that I had my hands full.